Hey guys, this isn't exactly the video I wanted to make first thing in the morning, but it's kind of a necessity. I woke up this morning and there was an email from a fan asking me, "Hey, where's DX Commander's channel? What happened to Callum? I tried finding his channel and it looks like it's gone. Did he shut down? Did he quit?" And no, he did not quit. Something happened between Google or YouTube and his channel. I don't have all the details. It's not really my business, but we need to help him out. There is a secondary channel that Callum has right now. I have the link posted down below, and I want everybody to please go over there and subscribe to that new channel. Let's get him up there. Let's get him back up to where he was in just a couple of days. I think it'd probably be a really cool idea. I know a couple other YouTubers are also reporting about this right now. We got to support this guy, man. He's been doing a lot for the ham community. He makes the best antennas in the world. If you own one, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you should probably go get one. But let's really help support Callum and get out there and subscribe to his channel. And until he can get this business cleared up with Google or YouTube, let's see if we can get him back to the support that he needs and keep him up and running. So, guys, you heard it here. Let's go over to his channel. Links are down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I do have a video coming out today or tomorrow. I've had some issues. We'll talk about that later. Y'all have a great day. Support Callum, support DX Commander, support the ham community, and thank you for being part of our big ham fam. This is KI5MPL, ham ready for non-techies, and I am clear.